Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is J. J for jeans. Jeans are made from a tough fabric called denim. They were first made for cowboys because they're strong and can handle a lot of work. Did you know? Jeans have lots of pockets for keeping treasures and toys. J for jaguar. Jaguars are big, beautiful cats with cool spotted fur. They are very fast and love to swim. Did you know? Jaguars live in jungles and rainforests in the Americas, and they are excellent hunters. J for jelly beans. Jelly beans are tiny, colorful candies that come in many yummy flavors. Did you know? Each jelly bean is like a little surprise. Sometimes you never know which flavor you'll get. J for Jell-O. Jell-O is a wiggly, jiggly dessert that comes in lots of bright colors. Did you know? When you shake a bowl of Jell-O, it wiggles just like a little dance party in your bowl. J for jam. Jam is made from fruit and a bit of sugar, making it sweet and perfect for spreading on bread. Did you know? You can find jam in many flavors, like strawberry, grape, or raspberry. What is your favorite J word? Let's trace the letter J. First, place your finger on the number 1 and move down the dotted line at the bottom. Make a gentle curve that hooks to the left. Now place your finger on the number 2 and move your finger across the dotted line.
Hooray! Yay!
You can pause the video and practice as many times as you like. Parents use this guide to help teach your child to write the uppercase J with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.